Can't find Chrome's on-device AI toggle? It's hidden in settings. I'll show you exactly where in 30 seconds. So here's the deal. Chrome has been packing in some pretty clever AI features lately, but the setting to control them isn't exactly out in the open. And honestly, that can be super frustrating. Maybe you want to turn these features on to try them out, or maybe you want to shut them off to save some of your computer's resources. Either way, you need to know where that switch lives. First, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Then we'll navigate to System Settings to find the toggle. Alright, let's start with Chrome open on your screen. This is the easy part. Just make sure you're in a regular Chrome window, not an incognito or guest session, because some settings don't show up there. Go ahead and launch Chrome if you haven't already. Now, look up to the very top right corner of the window. See those three little dots stacked vertically? That's the menu button. Give it a click. This opens up a drop-down with a bunch of options, from bookmarks to history and everything in between. From that menu, you want to look for the option that says Settings. It usually has a little gear icon next to it. Click on that. This will open a whole new tab dedicated to Chrome's settings. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming at first. We're only going to one specific place. And here's the really important part. On the left-hand side of this Settings tab, you'll see a vertical menu. You're looking for the section called System. It's usually near the bottom, so you might need to scroll down a tiny bit. Click on System. This is where Chrome talks about things like hardware acceleration, and yes, that elusive on-device AI. Now pay close attention to this one. Once you're on the System page, you might have to scroll down a little further to find what we're after. Look for a heading that says On-Device AI. It should be pretty clearly labeled. And right underneath that heading, you'll see a toggle switch. It might already be grayed out or turned off by default. Alright, this is the moment of truth. That toggle switch is your control center for Chrome's on-device AI features. If you want to enable them, just click that toggle so it turns blue and slides to the on position. If you want to disable it, click it the other way so it turns gray. And that's it. The change is instant, so you don't need to restart your browser or anything like that. And that is seriously all there is to it. You've gone from not being able to find that setting to being able to flip it on or off in just a few seconds. Now, if you ever want to revisit this setting in the future, you know the path. The three dots, Settings, System, and then that on-device AI section. Hopefully this saved you some time digging around. Thanks for watching and good luck with your browser.